Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat at your desk? Books open, laptop on, phone face down, and still, you do nothing? Then you hate yourself for it. You think, why am I so lazy? But listen carefully. You're not lazy. You're mentally overloaded. And this video might be the first time someone actually explains what's happening to you. So stay with me. Students today don't struggle because they don't care. They struggle because their brain is tired before the day even starts. Assignments, deadlines, family pressure, future anxiety, notifications, comparisons, fear of falling behind. Your brain is carrying too much. And when the brain is overloaded, it shuts down. That shutdown looks like procrastination. It looks like scrolling. It looks like laziness. But it's not. Here's the science, simple and real. Your brain has a limited amount of mental energy every day. Psychologists call this cognitive load. When too many thoughts fight for attention, your brain goes into survival mode. Not productivity mode, survival mode. That's why you know what to do but can't start barn. Simple tasks feel heavy. Motivation disappears. Focus breaks after 5 minutes. Your brain isn't weak. It's protecting itself. And blaming yourself only makes it worse. So if overload is the problem, the solution is not work harder. It's work smarter with less mental weight. Let me show you how step by step through a normal student day. Most students lose the day before 10 a.m. Not because of laziness, because of chaos. You wake up, grab your phone. Your brain is hit with 50 problems that aren't even yours. News, messages, social media, other people's lives. Boom, overload. Quick fix. Do this tomorrow. 1. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Not forever. Just 30 minutes. 2. Write 3 things on paper. 1 task you must do. 1 task you should do. 1 task you can ignore today. That's it. Your brain relaxes when it sees clarity. Clarity creates energy. This is where most students fail. You try to study for 3 hours straight. Your brain says no. You force it anyway. Result? Burnout, scrolling, guilt. Here's the truth. Your brain works in short sprints, not marathons. Science-backed rule. Focus drops sharply after 25-40 minutes. Quick fix. Study for 25 minutes. Stop for 5 minutes. Stand up. Breathe. Look away from screens. Repeat. Not motivational. Biological. You don't need more discipline. You need better rhythm. Now let's talk about the biggest silent killer of motivation. Ever reach the end of the day and think, I was busy all day, but I did nothing important? That's mental clutter, decision fatigue, overthinking, constant self-judgment. Your brain worked all day, just not on the right things. Quick fix before sleep. Brain dump, 5 minutes. Write everything bothering you. No organizing, no fixing, just empty the mind. This tells your brain it's safe to rest. Sleep improves. Tomorrow feels lighter. This is important. Listen, lazy people don't feel guilty. Lazy people don't care. You care. You feel bad because you want more for yourself. That means you're not lazy. You're overwhelmed. And overwhelmed people don't need pressure. They need permission to simplify. Say this with me. I don't need to do everything. I just need to do the next right thing. One small win resets the brain. Momentum beats motivation. Every time. I know what it feels like. Wanting to do better. Knowing you're capable, but feeling stuck inside your own head. You're not broken. You're just carrying too much alone. And you don't have to anymore. Start small. Clear the noise. Protect your mental energy. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a lighter mind. If this video made you feel understood, hit like so more students see it. Subscribe if you want simple, real strategies that actually work. And share this with someone who keeps calling themselves lazy when they're really just exhausted. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next one.